this match officially underway, we should see quite the fight from her in this one.
Oh yeah, she's proven that. For better or worse, she's not the type to give up easily. Some call it stubbornness, but she believes it's absolute resilience.
She's definitely not the type to give up easily, that's for sure.
But she will have her work cut out for her, facing off against someone who tends to make sport out of her opponent.
A quick finish. Can she do it? And the shoulders up.
She still has a lot more in her.
Oh my goodness.
From the ground up.
Superhuman.
The amount of force behind that is enough to knock a normal person out.
Feet tackle.
I've seen Saxton thrown out of a few local bars like that before.
Please don't remind me, Corey.
Repeated waistlock takedowns.
You can tell a fire's been lit inside of her.
Yeah, she's proven difficult to grab a hold of.
Smashing their face into the mat.
Wow, that was some impressive strength.
No other way to say it, guys. That looked like it hurt a lot.
Ooh, look at her answering back.
And both athletes showing that they have each other's number.
Springboard misses the target. Ooh. She steers clear of that one. Counted, scouted.
Each competitor showing they've done their homework.
Steered clear of that.
Impressive reversal there.
Half suplex. Lights out.
Uh-oh. Ooh, and a reversal.
Continuing to work on the arm with a
Drop in the knee for more punishment. This superstar trying to get the WWE Universe behind them, and now look at this. Stomp after stomp after stomp.
look at these stomps.
That can certainly do it. Shoulders down.
What in the world? Unreal. Unreal to kick out there.
Not only unlikely, downright extraordinary.
Big maneuver executed perfectly, but still was not enough. She adjusts it and reverses it.
Goes down low and
Snap DDT. Springboard, and that failed to hit the mark. She's feeling the hurt here.
And a slap for the exclamation point.
Seated drop kick connects.
she avoids the attack completely.
Feet tackle. Oh my God! Great counter.
Series of reversals.
She returns the favor there.
Just get the ticket to victory.
Two. Almost had her, but she gets the shoulder up. Heads out of the ring, but needs to be mindful of the referee's count here.
From the top, just brutalizing their opponent with forearms to the side of the face.
Oh, costly error there. Oh my God, it misses on the springboard.
Oh my goodness, just strike it at will.
reversal after another. These two are
And that might be just enough to win.
Oh, kick out at two.
What is it going to take? There's a face. Strapped and nowhere to go.
Except for maybe the emergency room or the locker.
Looks like she has other plans here.
I think she was just looking to soften her up a little bit. Connects on that kick. What a counter.
Showing some extra scouting, knowing how to answer a counter with a counter of your own. Nothing fancy here, just raw power. She's looking for the win.
Incredible resiliency. She's on unsteady legs in the corner, needs to recover.
And she may be getting pushed beyond her limit.
Now is a pivotal time for her to get out of danger.
Suplex, lights up.
She turns it right around with a counter.
Just mounted with punches. And not, nasty stomp to finish it off.
The volume in this building has increased exponentially. The fans are willing.
And the middle rope sunset flip. Oh, no.
From the... Ooh. Nothing fancy here, just raw power.
Great counter.
Oh, and a kick.
Making that shoulder a priority. Slingshot Arabian press.
Out of the ring, she has to mind the 10 count. Brought back into the ring from the floor now.
Up and